I should be over all the butterflies I've been.
Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes,
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle, and today's video is going to be on this wig. It is from YMYHAIR company, and they sent me their 360 lace wig. Okay, this is a Waterwave texture, 26 inches, and the construction of this wig, you guys, it is so good. It has everything you want, okay? The combs, the elastic band, the adjustable straps, and those little clear silicone band things that you can tighten that make like the perimeter of the lace so tight. You guys, this wig is glueless. I have a 360 wig on and it's glueless. So, okay, so I can confidently say the construction of this wig, it is the best that I've had ever. Okay, I love the construction of this wig. I love that it can fit so tight and it's so adjustable. In any way it's adjustable, and I can make this tighter if I wanted to. So I just really I love that about it. Not like, I love it. Okay, so the texture of this wig, it is super thick. I believe this is 200% density, maybe 180. Just make sure you look in the description box because that's where I'm going to leave all of the information and links to this particular wig. So like I said, this is a Waterwave texture, 26 inches. It is long. I love it. It's thick. Now, one thing that this wig came with was baby hairs, like curly baby hairs that were like, they weren't the same texture as the rest of the hair. So I was a little iffy. I was like, how am I going to do this? Like, I was very worried. Okay. I even started, when I laid the baby hairs, I started trying to pluck. But I soon realized you don't really have to do that because it was really easy to lay the baby hairs down. It was very easy, and I am shocked. I'm very shocked by that. But I didn't even have to like cut really much of the lace, which is weird because I normally do that. I just really only cut this part by the ears so that like it can just lay a little bit. I don't know how to say this. I wanted it to lay so that my sideburns would be out on the side because I want it to be completely glueless, right? So you can't have the ear tabs there. So I cut that and I have my sideburns out, and I feel like it is so natural looking. Even though it's a wig, it just lays perfectly with my sideburns. Gotta love that, right? Now, if I was being picky, the only thing that I would do differently with this install was either to get some hairspray or even use, what is this, liquid gold, just to melt the lace even more into my skin, because it can be melted a little bit more. It definitely can. I would still go out like this because I don't think it's that clockable, and if it is, back up, okay? But if I was being anal picky, I would use this or hairspray or something like that to melt it in a little bit more. Okay, really quickly, I want to show you what I was talking about. The little clear strings that are on the side of the wig, like you can pull and tighten the perimeter of the lace. This is what's going to get it super tight so that you don't have to use product, right? So then after that, you can just tuck it under your wig. And like I mentioned, this is a 360 wig, so you can wear this up. Now, with that being said, I don't wear 360 wigs to wear them up. Okay, I wear all wigs down, mainly. That's just my preference. So when I show you the back of this wig, don't judge me, okay? Because this is not my area, okay? It's not my forte. So I'm gonna show you the back of this wig. Y'all gonna have to use your imaginations, okay? And see if you got this wig, how you could wear it up if you want to, okay? So. Okay, so like I mentioned before, it has baby hairs going around the whole perimeter. Okay, so maybe it is concealing it. I can't really see right now how the wig is looking. But I mean, I would like to think that the baby hairs is covering up what I need to be covered back here, okay? So you can wear it up however you see fit, okay? That's the child. Remember what I said. Remember what I said, okay? Okay, so that's about it. It gets no easier than that, okay? A glueless wig, you gotta love it. Oh, and let me just do this, because you know the companies be wanting you to put the little thing on here to prove, child, that it is on there glueless, okay? I'm not about to mess up my edge control and my edges because, child, this stuff is real good. When I put it on my hair, I'm not about to waste it. So you guys saw that. It's on there. Okay, it's on there. But I'm just gonna stop the video here because everything else is self-explanatory. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you tried this wig, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will check you out in my next video. Bye.
I should be over all the butterflies I've been into you. And baby, even all the worst nights